Hey, everybody. Happy Thursday. It's going to be a great day as we get ready for Snowmageddon, as we're getting ready for it. I don't know if we're actually calling it that, but Tracy has an update on everything you need to know. Looks like a little more sleet in our central Arkansas area than we thought yesterday. Those models updating, more snow up north. Unfortunately, freezing rain for our friends in the south. Also, by the way, new Eat It Up today. Went back to the hometown of Cabot, P Farm Bistro. Hope you'll check it out. It's been a great start to the day so far. We got an update on traffic as well, little patches of fog here and there. But we're rocking and rolling. We're ready to go, and we are, of course, going to get you ready. By the way, pro tip, make sure everything is charged. We got electronic little devices that we can charge. Make sure the phones are good for the weekend. Plug them up now. Also, make sure the pipes are good. Put the covers on the spigots, all that good stuff. Listen, I'm a dad and a husband. I'm just giving you a heads up, all right? Get ready for this weekend. We got you covered.